My wife Emily and I were living in London. We've been there 10 years or so, and we wanted to move out to the country and have a change of scene. And I built my house in London about 10 years ago, just at the time I met Emily, and so we talked ever since then of building our house together. And yes, we've been looking out in Somerset.
We're next to an ancient apple orchard, and I love the atmosphere of the site, and so keeping that sort of in the house and the house not being too separate from that was really important.
One of the main influences on the house is those rural buildings, and we've got this open loggia around the outside of the house which works really well with the energy strategy because it provides solar shading to the windows, which you need in a very well insulated passive house.
Also, you know, in the West Country it rains quite a lot, so the idea is that you can be outside and in rainy weather and you can just use the outside like the inside.
We've employed subcontractors to do the more specialised things like the roofing and the groundworks. We've done quite a lot of the work ourselves.
Air tightness taping, lots of painting.
A lot of the insulation, installing the MVHR system.
We've designed all the furniture ourselves, like the beds, the kitchen table, the kitchen, well, in fact everything, but also making things that really fit with the house.
We've got a lot of internal glazing, and so there are strong connections between the rooms visually. Even if you can close a room off, there's still a window, say, from our office up to the kitchen dining room, so you can see what's going on. But living in here, it's just the best thing about it is the air quality and the environment.
It feels very snug, it feels quite muffled in there and sort of very cocooned.
But I think what is special about this house is the way it binds into the environment. It's very much a piece of architecture that just happens to be a passive house.